The easiest way to find information in Wozzad is by using the global search, which you can see at the head of every page. This is a one-stop search and will look for applications which match any of the following: student forename, student surname, course name, course code, or application number. For example, we can search for a specific application by entering its number. Clicking on the student name brings up the student record where we can see the other applications this student has made. We could also have seen these two applications by using the global search. If we wanted to know all students who have applied for podiatry courses, we could simply search on the name podiatry. Of course, if it's just processed applications I want to search, I could always do it on the screen directly. Each column heading has a funnel which allows you to filter. If I choose a particular name, enter it, click OK, I get to see just the entries for Mr. Jeffries.